Hello guys, it's me Ezekiel here and I'm going to have pizza. Anyways, I will point this down and show you far away. This is what I'm eating. Hope that helps. So, it's still very hot because I had my mom trying to what was it again? Heat it up because we stored that on the fridge. So guys, I will eat. I will. This is steaming hot pizza, guys. So I will let it rest for a while, and yeah, let's just wait. I think that's good. Just only a few seconds. That's enough. Let me try the thing. I cannot wait. So I'm just gonna try. As I will just try the pizza, guys. Let's go. Good pizza. Like, we ordered pizza last night and it's good. I ate so many pizzas last night, maybe 3 or 4 or something. And this is my 5th one. Well, I could eat more. Yeah, this thing yummy. I don't want to waste it because the crust. Pretty good. Pretty good cheese pizza. My mom let me took off the pepperonis because I don't like. I had tasted it before. And I like it, but I had a fever, like literally like before when I ate beef loaf. So I won't eat that for now. Ma! Okay. Add water. Very nice water. Guys, this is the pizza. Here's your bite. Yeah, is this. It's off for now. Here it goes. Pretty good. Good pizza. Good, guys. I washed my hands. So, guys, reminder. Wash your hand. Good tasting pizza. What's the deal? Good. Guys, make sure do not waste any food so I won't cut that video. I won't cut this video like the other one because it was just a mistake. The crust is very crunchy. Rosie is just chilling under the chair there. This is my first ever eating video. I am borrowing my mom's stand when she does reels on Facebook. That one time when she got hacked, I don't know. Somebody was using her Facebook account. Guys, if you have Roblox, please search my name, and my name is at123103. Okay, I'm gonna continue eating this pizza. Very good pizza. Good. But anyways, they serve pineapple on pizza in the Philippines, but it's okay. It's almost 5 minutes now because I can see I'm vlogging. Guys, pizza, I'm almost done now. And I will end the video when I take the last bite. Okay, guys. I'm now done, guys. So goodbye, guys, and like and subscribe in this video now. Goodbye.